Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a state-of-the-art AI technology that allows you to have natural language conversations with a machine. It's based on the Transformer architecture, which is a deep learning model used in various NLP tasks such as sentiment analysis, text generation, and machine translation. The advantage of ChatGPT is that it's been trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet, so it has a vast amount of knowledge about various topics. This allows it to provide accurate and informative answers to questions in a wide range of domains, from history and science to pop culture and current events. But what sets ChatGPT apart from other language models is its ability to generate human-like responses. This means that it can have a conversation with you in a way that feels natural and intuitive, and it can even generate creative and original text, such as stories and jokes. So whether you're looking for information on a specific topic, or just want to have a conversation with an AI, ChatGPT is the perfect tool for you. In this video, we'll be demonstrating some of the capabilities of ChatGPT, and you'll see for yourself why it's such a powerful and exciting technology. So stay tuned and let's get started with ChatGPT.
Let's type hi over here, and let's see what kind of replay that we will get. We got hi there, that's cool. Let me write a program for Hello World in Java, C++, Python, JavaScript and Ruby, so let's see whether it is able to code for us. So it started writing. It wrote first in Java, then in C++, JavaScript and Ruby. Let me check the syntax. So everything looks perfect. Okay, let me try another one. Write HTTP request for an API at the endpoint. Let's see what kind of code it can generate for us. So I was not expecting this one, but okay. Let's write a blog. Write a blog on AI tools. Let's see whether it is able to write a blog for us. If you don't get any kind of idea on which topic should I write the blog, you can ask ChatGPT so it can generate any ideas for you, or if you are interested in a specific niche, then you can type that niche and ask the ChatGPT to write a blog on it. So it started writing a blog for us. Like artificial intelligent AI is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. That's true, so it started writing a pretty lengthy blog. So actually in this clone we can set the length of the text that can be generated from it. I'll be teaching you in this course. So it has wrote the entire blog for us now. So this was a quick demo of our ChatGPT clone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and share this video to maximum of your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.